Hanap mo ba na property ay malapit lang sa Manila at merong magaan na monthly equity? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Located lang ito sa Tansa, Cavite at boundary lang ito ng General Trias. Approximately 30 to 45 minutes drive lang ito going to Manila. Under Pag-ibig Financing at may monthly equity na 7,750 for 8 months at 6,250 for the next 2 months. 2-story townhouse ito na may lot area na 36 square meters at floor area na 45 square meters. Kaya naman may enough space tayo for living, dining, kitchen at service area. In terms of home improvement, pwede mo to ipa-enclose or ipa-extend hanggang sa property line natin. However, subject for approval ito, kailangan po natin mag-submit ng plans or layout kay developer. At alam mo ba na you can reserve this property for as low as 5,000 at may available pa tayong corner at end unit. Ito na ang ating actual turnover, guys. Makikita nyo naman kung gaano katibay ito dahil meron pa tayong biga sa gitna. At included na upon turnover ang ating sliding window for proper ventilation at para makapasok ang natural light. Tiles, room partition at ceiling na lang ang kulang natin dito, guys. Ang maganda dito sa basic finish turnover ay makakustomize natin ang sukat ng room at design ng tiles. Kaya naman kung interested ka sa property na to, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house mo. So, bye-bye!